Adverbs of manner. What are adverbs of manner? They describe how an action is performed or how something happens. In this video, I am going to show you 20 commonly used adverbs of manner and examples of how you can use them. Let's get started. Quickly. Definition: at a high speed, very fast. Example: she quickly finished her homework before dinner. Slowly. Definition: at a low speed, not fast. Example: the turtles moved slowly across the sandy beach. Loudly. Definition: in a manner that produces a lot of sound, making a lot of noise. Example: the band played loudly at the outdoor concert. Happily. Definition: in a happy way. Example: the children laughed and played happily in the park. Sadly. Definition: in a sad way. Example: they waved goodbye sadly as the train pulled away. Quietly. Definition: in a manner that makes little or no noise, silently. Example: the librarian whispered quietly to the patrons in the library. Easily. Definition: in a simple or effortless way. Example: she easily solved the puzzle without any help. Gracefully. Definition: in an elegant and smooth manner. Example: she danced gracefully during the performance. Neatly. Definition: in a tidy and orderly manner. Example: he neatly arranged the books on the shelf. Politely. Definition: in a respectful and considerate manner. Example: she greeted everyone politely at the party. Roughly. Definition: in a manner that is harsh or violent, not gently. Example: the carpenter sanded the wood roughly to smooth out imperfections. Smoothly. Definition: in a manner that is without difficulty, interruptions, or problems, with an even, regular movement or surface. Example: the rollerblader glided smoothly along the path. Cautiously. Definition: in a careful manner to avoid potential danger, risk, or harm. Example: the driver cautiously approached the intersection. Angrily. Definition: in a mad or upset way. Example: she slammed the door angrily after the argument. Anxiously. Definition: in a manner that shows worry, nervousness, or unease about something with an uncertain outcome. Example: he paced anxiously in the waiting room. Confidently. Definition: in a sure and positive way. Example: the speaker confidently addressed the audience during the presentation. Badly. Definition: in a poor or unsatisfactory manner. Example: she sang badly during the karaoke session. Calmly. Definition: in a peaceful or relaxed manner. Example: despite the chaos around her, she spoke calmly to reassure everyone. Nicely. Definition: in a pleasant or kind manner. Example: the artist painted the landscape scene nicely. Violently. Definition: in an aggressive or forceful manner. Example: the storm shook the trees violently, causing branches to break and debris to fly.